Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we'll discuss about the good landing page key ingredients. What are the key ingredients of a good landing page? What are the points, what are the key elements that you need to include to make your landing page work, and how to improve the conversion rate of your landing page by including the key ingredients. Let's get started with it. What are basically the key ingredients of a good landing page? Landing pages are great source for lead generation. Obviously, yes. Landing pages are created with the purpose, with an objective to generate leads for you. The landing page consists of the heading, the banner, the content, the call to action, the key features, the benefits of a product that you are selling, and it is focused on one particular objective. That objective is to generate leads, and that is actually precisely the reason why landing pages are created. Landing pages are created with a specific purpose and objective to generate lead. The purpose objective is one single, that is to generate lead, and that is actually the reason why landing pages are created. It is usually a single page completely optimized to deliver and set objectives. When you create a landing page and when you have a product and that product is actually being sold across, and you have that product specifically created to be sold either organically through organic traffic or through paid advertising, what you do is you set objectives. What are the objectives of this landing page has to achieve in terms of key performance indicators, in terms of the conversion rates, in terms of the sales that the particular landing page is set to be created, and what are the set objectives, and that objectives have to be clearly defined when you actually create a landing page for your product. Content is written detailing a service or a product with the features, benefits and images. Whatever you are actually selling, it could be a product, it could be a service, it could be a solution, it could be any other item that you want to sell through a landing page, and the objectives have to be clearly spelled out as far as the conversion that you are looking at to achieve when you actually create the landing page and do the testing and implement that landing page to get the desired objectives. It could be a features, it could be benefits. That is actually the core components of every landing page. You will have a banner. After the banner, you will have a main heading. In the main heading, you will have a subheading, and you actually give an introduction of the kind of product that you are looking at, the kind of business that you are in. Once you dwell deep into it, then you go into the specifics. What are the features of the particular product? What are the benefits of the particular product? What is the USP of this particular product? And how this product can actually help businesses grow their businesses by using this particular product. Then finally, you will end with a CTA, and these are the key ingredients of a good landing page. End with a compelling CTA. When you have listed the complete information on the landing page, you end with a compelling CTA to make sure the visitor who actually has come to the landing page is taking some action, and that actually generates a lead for you. The key elements. Now let's look into the key elements of a good landing page. The first is who. Identify who are your targeted customers. This is the first and the foremost point that you need to have a clear objective. Identify who are your core customers, who are your targeted customers. That is the first who. The second is what. What are you selling? The features and the benefits. What is the product that you are selling? What are the features of this product? What are the benefits of this product? What are the key points of this product, and what is the USP of this particular product? That is the what. Then the second is where. Are you selling geo and demo? It could be geography, it could be demography. Where actually are you selling this product? The geographies and the demographies related in selling this product. That is actually the where. How are you selling? The mode and the method. Whether it could be offline, it could be online, it could be through a payment gateway, or you just want to generate a lead and you want to call back the particular customer and make sale. And this is actually the process how you are doing it. When are you doing the availability of the product and the services? Is it a pre-launch? You have already launched, the product is available, the product is not available. When the product is being launched, you are actually taking out a teaser through a landing page, and that is actually when is you are going to launch the product. Why you should have the customer buy it, what are the key points that you want the customer to buy it and benefit from it, that is actually the why involved in it, the value proposition that you are offering to that particular customer. And when you have all these elements, you end with a CTA, and these are the key elements of a good effective landing page. The strategies that you need to implement as far as having an effective landing page that works for you and that improves your conversion rate optimization. Create a plan with the goals, objectives of the landing page. The most important point is you need to create the goals, objectives of your landing page, and these are the goals and objectives that define how your landing page is performing. Identify the product and build an optimized responsive landing page. The most important point is you have an optimized and responsive landing page. Optimized landing page in terms of search engine optimization, in terms of the keywords, in terms of the content that you are writing, and of course the responsiveness of your landing page. That landing page is available across all machines, across all browsers, and that is a responsive landing page. Focus on the content that is persuasive, precise and succinct. The content has to be perfect. The content has to be perfect in terms of persuasiveness, in terms of preciseness, and it has to be absolutely succinct, to the point, to the core point. Use bulleted points to list out the features and the benefits. All the features that you have got, all the benefits that you are outlining of your product, they have to be in a bulleted points. Clearly mention what is in for the users. The most important point, every anonymous user who comes to a landing page, the first thing they will ask is what is in for me, what I am going to get out of it. List out what are the key points that the users can take away from it. Write short paragraphs with clear headings. The more the shorter paragraphs, the better with clear headings. Each and every paragraph have to be at least 4 or 5 lines, perfectly alright, even 6 lines, that is perfectly alright, but don't write lengthy paragraph. Use images, infographics judiciously. The more you embed and integrate the images and infographics within a landing page, the better. It improves the user experience, the user engagement. Create urgency. The better you create an urgency and tell them this product is available right now. This product will be available for 72 hours. If you buy within 72 hours, you will get this discount or these freebies. These are the key urgency point that you can include in your landing page. Mention only what you can deliver. More often than not, what we see is landing pages content actually hype a lot. They mention a lot of things that which are not existing in the product. Do not hype, mention what you can only deliver and what the product actually has. Only the features, benefit that the product can deliver on only on promises. Add past performance and testimonials. The most important and crucial point in a landing page is if you are selling a product on a particular landing page, I come to that particular landing page, I read all the features, all the benefits, but how do I actually get convinced by what you are saying? I get convinced by what others are saying of your product on your landing page, and this is the past performance and the testimonials. The testimonials actually give me the confidence that this product is being sold to so and so company and they are using it and it is benefiting the, that is actually the key point in actually making me to take an action to buy a product. Testimonials really work on landing pages. And with a compelling CTA. The more the compelling, captivating the CTA, call to action, the better, and that actually drives you the conversions. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is how landing pages work, landing pages key elements and strategies for a perfect landing page. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.